available. Audio that speaks to you
Pete the
wherever
Cat
you
mẹ.
are.
Bộ này cực kỳ hay luôn, rất là nổi tiếng của giọng I
Welcome to
Can
the
Read.
wonderful world of reading. In this I Can Read story, Pete the Cat, a pet for Pete, you will be going on a fun adventure. Are you ready to read? Here we go. Pete is going to the pet store. He is going to get a pet. Pete wants a bird, a hamster, or a lizard. But then Pete sees a goldfish. That's what I want, he tells his mom. Pete's mom gets fish food. I'm going to call you Goldie, Pete says to his new pet. You are my first pet, Pete tells Goldie on the way home. Pete takes Goldie to his room. He feeds her fish food. Now what? Asks
Rất là
Pete.
hay các bạn nhé.